Hi, welcome back to one of my videos. And today I'm gonna have a look at how to improve drawings of certain components. So I have this plate over here, and this plate has a hole with a rounding in it, but depends how the hole was made. I mean, the hole can vary well, the radius can be segmented, it could be imported from somewhere, it could be modeled not really in the correct way. So how do we get the result correctly out anyway? So if I were to go to Output Automatic, Shop Drawings, let's have a look. What would that look like? Of course, we get all kind of XY dimensions simply because that arc is completely segmented. Perhaps it was modeled in the wrong way, perhaps it was imported and it's segmented. Whatever the result might be, whatever the reason might be, the result anyway is not great. Now, over the years, you could go to Edit, Properties, Edge Definition, pick the plate, and we could see already that all these edges, we can see the edges now on the plate, that there are edges that will be calculated like this as XY dimensions. What could we do about it? We could say, well, we're going to recalculate the radius, or automatic recalculation. Sure, that works great if you have one plate, but not, of course, if you have 1,000 plates to go through. What you could also do is simply go to one of the general settings. So you could also go to Model, Radius Calculation, and say for plates, okay, we're gonna optimize this. What happens then? You get a lot better plate. That's all you have to do. No need to recalculate anything anymore. You could have a segmented arc and still have it come out with the radius.